welcome back to my channel. It's Kesena here and I'm back with another video. As you can see, this is not like a typical sit down video. I am actually getting ready. This is a vlog. I'm going out today, so I'm just trying to get ready. So yeah, I just want to quickly get ready. So what I usually do for my makeup is just to kind of like shade it. Am I not the one driving? See this rat?
I can drive, okay, can drive.
Okay. Where's your license?
I don't have license.
Huh. Please, save Johnny.
Use my smile and
I have videos to edit, so you guys can go. Anyway, so I just like filling in my brows. Just let it to be a bit. At this point, I'll start off the background noise. So basically, I said I like filling in my brows because basically this is just the look I do when I'm just trying to rush out for a run, for an errand, to work, or for an outing if I don't want to get glammed up. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. I just did my very minimalistic makeup routine, as you guys can see. So yeah, just go ahead and enjoy this music and also the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Love ya.
I can't do nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I...
So guys, I'm done getting ready and I'm about to head out. This is currently how my makeup looks. Very minimalistic and skinlalistic. Also, I'm going to put on my glasses, going to get my mask, my license, my card, just in case anything, you know. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys my OOTD very quickly. Alright.
Need no stress, girl, nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but...
So hey guys, I just got to our first location. We're in Trocadero. I think it's called Trocadero. So we just got to our first location. We are in Trocadero. It's a bowling alley. So came to bowl. It's not fake life.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and bitter? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 I want nobody but you.
Hey guys, today is 3rd of October and I didn't end this vlog at all because my battery died. A lot of things happened all at the same time, and honestly the day went well, but it kind of ended bad, but not bad, just mixed feelings. But anyhow, this is the end of the vlog. I decided to do an outro on the 3rd of October. Kesena. But anyways, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys found this vlog interesting. I hope you want more vlogs. Let me know in the comment section below. Also feel free to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe. Like, bro, what you waiting for? Huh? Subscribe to my channel, because it's not actually a hard thing to do. Thinking about it, let's analyze it. All you have to do to subscribe to my channel is just see that subscribe button under this video you're currently watching, and you just touch it. If you want to even do extra to just make me really know that you really love me, all you have to do is just touch the bell icon there and touch all, meaning you have turned on the notification bell for anytime I post a video. So approximately me saying this just took about 3 minutes, so let's just be exaggerating. So you just doing that will just take like 1 minute. So why are you not doing it? Tell me. No, tell me. Okay, I forgive you this time, but just do it now, okay? Alright. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next vlog or next video, whichever comes up first. And yeah, bye.